These 3 kettlebell core exercises are basic, but they are not easy. The first one being Russian twists, which will work your obliques and abs, as well as mobilize your thoracic spine. If you are having trouble keeping your feet off the ground, you can put them down as a regression. Start with 3 sets of 10 to each side. Half kneeling lifts are another wonderful exercise to work your obliques, but you can also get a slight hip flexor stretch as well as mobilize your thoracic spine. If you're having difficulty staying balanced, you can always move your front foot to the side more. If you find that it is easy, you can move your front foot towards your midline. This will challenge your balance a lot more. Once again, start with 3 sets of 10 to each side. Lastly, we have suitcase side bends. I like to put my hand on my head so I get a little bit more lat stretch, but you can put your hand on your hip if you find this uncomfortable. You're going to go as far as you can to each side. Another note is that you want your feet to be underneath your hips. You don't want your feet to be wide or you'll run the kettlebell into the side of your leg. Same thing, 3 sets of 10 on each side to start. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you find this video helpful.